Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a recipe that's perfect for any occasion: mini meatballs with marinara sauce. These bite-sized meatballs are juicy, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. Ideal for parties, game days, or even a quick family dinner. Let's dive right in. First, we'll make the meatballs. Grab a large bowl and combine 1 pound of ground beef, or a mix of beef and pork, with half a cup of breadcrumbs, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan, a quarter cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 minced garlic cloves, a quarter cup of finely chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until everything is just combined. Don't overmix. Now form the mixture into small bite-sized meatballs about 1 inch in diameter. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the meatballs in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for 3-4 minutes on each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove and set them aside. Next up, the marinara sauce. In the same skillet, add more olive oil if necessary, and sauté a finely chopped small onion until soft and translucent about 5 minutes. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Stir in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 teaspoon each of dried basil and oregano, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat, and salt and pepper to taste. Bring the sauce to a simmer and cook for 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally until thickened. Now, add the cooked meatballs back into the skillet with the marinara sauce and simmer for a few minutes to let the flavors meld together. Serve these mini meatballs with toothpicks for easy eating, or over a bed of pasta for a more substantial meal. Garnish with fresh basil or parsley for a pop of color. Whether you're serving these mini meatballs as an appetizer or a main dish, they're guaranteed to be a hit. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bon appétit!